In the metals quadrant today, copper down over 1.5%, almost reaching down 1.75% on the lows today. Copper falls for the third straight session. And you look at it from a bigger picture macro perspective, copper's down 3 of the last 4 months. July so far is down as well. And copper's also down 9 of the last 11 weeks. This week would be the 10th of 12 if we finished. It's obviously early in the week, but copper's looking pretty bad so far. We've gotten through that sort of base that we were at for the last 6 weeks or so. Copper is down at about a 9-month low. The strike in Chile ended at the end of June and production is back up for that. That doesn't help price at all, considering that copper has been a pretty good indicator of whether we're optimistic in the markets or pessimistic about the US-China trade deal. And with a lack of headlines, this copper price, along with the extra production being put back online as this strike ends, it's just not a good picture for that US-China trade deal. No definite short-term copper demand showing up in the price of copper at this point. Again, that Chilean mine strike ended around June 27th, and they're back up to full production. So that supply is going into a system that does not have any increased demand based on anything, with China being the largest consumer of copper. They're not buying copper at this point, and that price continues to fall. The dollar not helping also. Dollar's up 4 consecutive sessions now. That inverse relationship between most of the hard commodities, copper, iron ore, and the dollar. Iron ore is down as well today. The dollar being stronger, that makes copper cheaper, so it's not putting any sort of floor into copper right now. As I mentioned, copper at 9-month lows right now, with no end in sight for the downtrend of this particular base metal.